Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Havoc, and this one we're gonna do a little unboxing. Recently I upgraded the video card on my stream PC to this bad boy, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti from Gigabyte. Covering the face. That's not what we're unboxing today. Today we're gonna unbox this bad boy, the GeForce RTX 3090 from Gigabyte. Let's get into it. Whoa. Okay, so before we get really deep diving into the unboxing, I need to put it out there. I am a GeForce/Aorus partner, but this card was not provided, gifted, sponsored, or anything. I bought it. It's 100% me. They're not influencing me to make this video in any sort of way. I also want to state that we're not going to go into super details of like how it bumped up my graphics and all the FPS and stuff. I just want to show you what's inside the box and give you kind of a nice overview of the build of the card. Once we do that, I'll put it in my game PC and we'll fire up a game and we'll see how it differs from what I had before, which is the RTX 2080 Ti. Okay, before we get into this, sorry about the setup here. I don't have it really set up great to do this unboxing. I'm in the middle of changing up my whole studio situation, so you're probably gonna see this little bar here. Sorry, it is what it is. So here is the box. We have the Gigabyte logo, obviously some of the just different graphics and stuff about the card here. This WinForce OC edition for your warranty, and then the GeForce RTX 3090. Let's look at the bottom. And this is kind of where some of the good stuff is. They have this 3x unique blade fan feature. It looks like the fans spin in alternate directions, so that's kind of a cool thing. Maybe it'll help with the cooling. RGB 2.0, their Fusion 16.7 million color combinations. We got a pure copper plate for the heat pipes. Nice little screen cooling fan there. Nice metal back plate to help keep it from bending. I'm guessing this is a pretty heavy card. So we got 1, 2, 3 display ports and 2 HDMIs. And why that's important to me is for my game PC, I run a 3-monitor setup. And then I have 2 additional monitors for my stream PC. So this is how I do mine. I use all my 3 gaming monitors on display port. And then what I also do is my main gaming monitor, I mirror to one of the HDMIs and I plug that directly into my Elgato capture card. So I do my dual PC streaming a little different than some people do. I do the mirroring of the actual ports, and so whatever is on the main screen of my gaming computer is what's going to be captured in the capture card. So I found that that puts a pretty good tax on other video cards. My RTX 2080 Ti worked pretty well up until recently when I really kind of bumped up the quality of my stream. I wanted to see if I could do more 1440p, and while it works, it's not great. So the stream quality looks really good, but the gameplay and stuff on my main PC is super choppy and it's just not fun. Let me go ahead and unbox this guy. We'll pop this side open. And of course I'm unboxing it upside down, but hey, it is what it is, right? Let's see if we can pop that out there. Gigabyte logo. All right, y'all, this card's a beast. So inside the box, we had 2 things. We had the card and we have this envelope. There was nothing else besides the padding in it. Let's open up this little Gigabyte envelope here. So it talks about a 4-year warranty. We've got a quick start guide. And then that is it. So I actually really do like the minimal packaging. We don't have to waste and throw away, recycle a whole lot of stuff. So yeah, quick start guide, we'll throw that aside here. And then information about their warranty. You can scan the QR code and more info there. So really limited packaging. I like that. It's good to see that, you know, brands are starting to take attention to how they're packing stuff and limit the amount of stuff we throw away. And then we'll go ahead and unwrap the card. I'll go ahead and mute this part so you don't hear the crackling of the static bag. Okay, this card is a beast. we got the triple fan. Hopefully they're going to be quiet. I think they will. I mean, we got 3 of them. I hope with the cooling. It is got the, obviously, the Gigabyte and GeForce RTX branding on the side. That'll be the part that faces out on the PC. I'm assuming those are going to be all LED magic. Then we have the GeForce RTX plate and Gigabyte logo on the bottom. There's the screen cooling they were talking about right there. And then over here we have the actual where it plugs into the computer. Cover for the actual where it connects to the motherboard. Where is the power? All right, so here you have back on this side, we have the 2 8-port plugs there. So we got to get those. It'll be fine. I have a 1200 watt power supply and I've got my RTX 2080 Ti, so it's going to be perfect. Here are the slots. So we have, it looks like here we have our display port, and then 2 of the HDMIs there. They all come covered, so you're good to go. It's a dual slot, but this might be because of the fan and whatnot. It might actually take up 3. It looks like it's going to, because if you see how much further it sticks out on the top. It'll actually take up 2 slots on the back of the computer, but it's actually going to cover 3 because of the size of the fan. So let me go ahead and get it installed on the game PC. We'll fire it up and we'll take a look. I'm over here on Sea of Thieves on the Maiden Voyage Island to kind of show you my frame rate. So this is with my 2080 Ti. You can see I'm hovering right around 100 frames, and this is also recording through my stream computer. And now this is on the 3090, and you can see we're the same game, Sea of Thieves. We're on the Maiden Voyage, and at the top left I'm getting anywhere between like 150 160 frames, so pretty significant upgrade. And again, this is also recording, so you know, we just peaked up at 180 there, so we're getting a lot better frames. I've seen this bump up into the 200 frames a second. This car is a huge upgrade when it comes to actually being able to stream and game at the same time. Okay, what a friggin' beast. I'm so excited to have this in my gaming computer. This is a big upgrade. I'm excited how it's gonna like further my content creation, especially with a lot of the YouTube videos I'm recording when it comes to actually reviewing games and whatnot. This is huge. So hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell, and we'll see you in the next one.